got here on the markets. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, was there balance? No, not here, but here. But never mind this balance because it broke down all the way to the... Well, okay. I don't know how to think about this. It kind of broke all the way down, but then retrieved all the way back. And it went to the daily support anyway, so ever since here, it's a new wave now. It's a mess. The least I can say, it's a mess. Well, that's exactly how political stock behaves a lot of times. I haven't seen the news yet. Maybe something happened, maybe something not. It's more of a gamble. Yeah, you see? It kind of tries to decide whether it wants to break down or go up. And someone can make an argument that this was a correction of the support level. But we'll keep it like this for now. Yeah. Yuan is not doing great, doesn't hold this level at all. So I don't know how much sense this 0.5 makes now. Our next target is here, and then all the way up to here. Oil looks slightly better. Oil looks like it wants to try to bounce here a little bit in 0.5. Actually, one thing I've missed is this test level that broke. Officially it broke here. But yeah. Nothing much. Tried to hold this level, and then never mind, came all the way to this level. Somebody wants me already. You know what? From this perspective, but it doesn't matter, it now breaks this level, so this level never existed, so it's like a pure, yeah, it's a regular counter trend. It's like this now. What is the biggest? No, it was not. Yes, it's something like this now. Can it bounce from here? Absolutely. No volume here. Will it? I don't know. Yeah, this all looks weak. This all looks weak. PPM. This guy came to this volume level. Oh, look at this volume. Last volume of the day though, and it's all bearish. But technically, you guys, after this volume, like on 5 minutes, this volume is bigger. Yeah. So technically, I should not be worried about that volume anymore. Come on. Yeah. So yeah, after this volume came in, you know what? I have an idea that this. Oh no, that would. No, never mind. I thought I just had an idea about like the daily and hourly volume mismatch. So yeah, I mean, gone and done. I don't know exactly why. Because cumulatively, why is this volume bigger? 930 volume bigger than it's a 10 million shares, and it's a 7 million shares. And here 930 was 1.7, 2.7, 3.5, 4.7, 5.4, 6.7, 6.7, 6.7, close, right? Well, yeah, but no, but okay. 6.7, and here 530. Okay, I don't need the minutes. On hours, I'm sorry. 6.8, 6.8, and it's half an hour. 6.8, 1, 1.5, 2.7, 5.8. Yeah, well, technically, it looks like we, based on 5 minutes, we should not be bothered by this volume no more. But in reality, I think we should. Yeah, if you don't understand the stock, Misha, stay away. Yeah, that was perfect. Came bumped into here. Expanded this level. As it always does, just like ducked a little bit under, kind of changed the direction and then didn't. Then went all the way back, broke this level, and grinds higher. I think coin for now does good. I'm looking at it just because I'm in a long-term trade that I opened even before I start using this method on American stocks. So it's still in a counter trend. It's still in correction, but unlike this guy, doesn't show any signs of reverse. This guy does a little something. Uh, Jinji is trying. He's like, okay, Misha, let's get you out of this horrible trade. Just promise me you're not gonna do it again. I was letting you out once. You didn't take a chance. Promise you you're not gonna be. I guess like saying stupid against your own self is not bad, right? It's politically correct if I do it to myself. So it says to me, don't be stupid. It's in a good place otherwise. Could have been a trade of its own. Volumes though, volumes were not indicative of any. Yeah. This was good, but we were still kind of under this volume. So I wouldn't be able to enter it here. And then it's gone. And then it's gone. Okay. This guy shows signs of recovery. So again, I would... Let's look at the hours. Yeah, something like this. 16, 17, yeah. Something like this. Yeah. It didn't reach it, but I think it reversed here. Oh, we have this volume now. This volume is now in our face. But I think it reversed. Okay. Yeah, air product. It looks like I missed my chance to buy more shares here, like right here. But at that point, the only thing that was in my favor was 0.5. And this volume, of course, too. This volume right here. Spring tests. Yeah. Yeah, that was a buy. That was a buy. Ooh la la. Oh la la. Something is definitely cooking here. But I just don't know what and how to interpret it. And when you don't know what to do with the stock, Misha, right, leave it alone. I think that was a reverse. Okay, like big volume here. Casey, bro, I hope you're not in this trade. That was a setup by Casey that I didn't recommend to take. And I didn't see him at all. Sorry, Casey. I'm gonna remove it from the chart so it doesn't abuse my eyes. I don't hear, ever since I had to move from TradingView to YouTube, I don't hear Casey at all. Yeah, Starbucks is in a very interesting level at monthly, but thus far. Doesn't give you nothing on daily. On dailies. This is already tested, so 0.5 is all you've got here. And went to this volume level, and it's kind of in this condor in between this volume and this volume. The horizon. Should I just remove it from my... Let's keep it. Let's keep it. Oh, you remember this? Oh! Look at this. Does it look like an exhaustion volume now? Absolutely. This does look absolutely like an exhaustion volume now. And we'll remove this level when it doesn't close above this level today, and that's gonna be our transitory extremum. And yeah, it can also like jump over and just leave us behind. This is the volume. WDC shows the signs of reversal. The heck is this? I don't know. That is absolutely looks like an exhaustion volume. Except for this one guy. This one little guy. Has been tested here. See, gap is retested closed. Yeah, except for that little guy. Yeah, WDC looks good now. Forget all these volumes. Boom. Boom, get out. We had a guy playing Ronald Hump in our Romeo and Juliet recent. Yeah, the only problem is here. The only problem is here, which is called a volume that came, a bigger volume that came after the spring. And it's on superior time frame in February. Summer in February. Summer in February. These volumes. Well, keep an eye. It is an interesting level on monthly. I think it goes above this volume, and then it can gap. It can just gap. But I can't like even watch it on hourly yet, just based on the volume. British American Tobacco. I think this is called automatic rally. Many cultures. It's in this volume level right now. It's in this volume level right now. And then the next one would be this. So yeah. We have this situation here right now on hourly. Go successfully above it, forget it. It will become a support. This is not bad. Look at this volume. Forget this. I think it's beautiful. Yeah, the little problem here is, but we are in this volume. January 25th. Volume profiles, everyone. All of us who loves to use this fancy it's right here. January 25th. January 25th. I guys think it's a good level to buy. The problem here on daily is it's not here. The rest is really, really good. Strengths, weakness. Can it crash to like to its 0.5? Absolutely it can. Previous T2 is here. Can it go in a full scale correction? It can. Where's this volume on daily? It's all below us. It's here, and that's initiative takeover. Bearish. Well, it's also like kind of bearish candle, but this is how it happens. Oopsie doopsie, sorry. I should quit day drinking. Not even day drinking, it's like a morning drinking. I think my tea, my green tea is too strong. It hits me real hard. Tell me it was. Yeah, of course it was. So yeah, we're in this situation right now. I like it. It's a little bit too far. On daily, it's a little bit stretched. Wait. Okay, that's why. Okay. I need to remove 24 hours from... Yeah, sorry, I don't need you. Can it correct lower? It can. Do we have this volume, which is our support now? We do. So yeah. Yeah, the thing is I cannot set up. Only noise, like a quick noise trade. There's also an assumption here because this is technically, so like, it's not a bullish bar, but from the like Wyckoff standpoint of view it is, because it's measured from, the spread is measured from the close of the previous day, so it's not a level. So like super technically, this is a level. And this is stretched. Practically, I think like that's also a level, so I think it's only good. For a quick trade. Quick noise trade. If it does, like if it gives us at least one bullish bar here that comes springs, is a good volume. Yeah, it will be good. What the heck is going on here? AMT. Yeah, the one that can be technically still bearish. The one I can be wrong on. You know what I mean? The one that can still be... There was a level here though. This volume is in our face now. Tries to jump out of it. Yeah. CVS. What is this? This guy's gone. Would we have any chance here when it was like so? We had this level in the beginning. We did not have a chance here. Started like this. Springed. And then this. Yeah, now it's just gone. Just went up without us. Same dealio. Same dealio. This comes in strong. Market is strong again. And absolutely went without us. And absolutely went without us. Uh-oh. Where is this level coming from? What is this level? Anyone knows? Monthly, daily, and hourly? Where is this volume from? I have no idea. What is this? Is it drunk? This level, but yeah, I mean, it wasn't like this. It was like this. Yeah, this is the level. And we are now well above it. We are there. We changed the directionality. We are going to the moon. Yeah, we are doing spring. This is stretched though, like it's really, really stretched. You can see it also like this, you can see it like this, you can see it like this. There's a lot of way to see it. And there's bigger volume here. And there is, and that's it. So yeah, don't forget about this guy. It's also a possibility. Like this. Most unlikely, but also possible. Should keep in mind when like trying to set up a deal here that if you get stuck in it, Misha, you'll get stuck for real. And now this volume, so we're like above all these volume levels. It does look like reversal a little bit, right? And we just have this level. And we just jumped over it. We just violently jumped over it. This is tested. This is tested, yeah. And then there is nothing in our face. But that could have been it for this level. That could be like a little bump here. And then it can go. Be careful, is all I'm saying. And guys, everything I say is not financial advice, right? I think we established that. Okay. This is something, it's not the biggest level, but definitely, yeah. It's a transitory extremum. What bugs me in our system is that we never buy on automatic rallies, which are sometimes really obvious and predictable. But of course, I'm not even close to, in my experience level, to alternate our system in any way, so I'll just stick to it. But yeah, there is a thing, automatic rally, that we like always miss on. Like 99% of the cases we miss on, because you see, this level confirms we have this level in our face. Now, There's another one here, but yeah, those are like two main ones. Because normally, like when it gives exhaustion volume, not in this specific example, because there is no distinctive, yeah, there's like bigger volumes here. But a lot of times when it gives exhaustion volume, then it automatically rallies, and then it comes back and manipulates. And we never ever, within our system, buy on this rally. Yeah, it's legit level right now. It's a legit level right now. Okay, let's keep watching Apple. Pepsi. Pepsi's freaking out in this balance since November. Going back and forth. That's why like speculation is so important. You could have made 2R here, probably 2R here. Here it didn't give us nothing, but I think you see what I'm saying. Rather than sitting just in here for like so long, for like what, more than half a year, could have been making money and didn't have your money stuck. Yeah, this becomes like all way too far from 0.5. Okay. Technically can buy from here on hourly. This volume. No, you can. If it shows something interesting on hourly. You can totally buy it from here. Home Depot. Home Depot let me out twice from here. Well, I didn't need the second time, but this is automatic rally. It's just I don't know how to identify it. Just goes, and here did it. Yeah. Was it 0.5? It was 0.5. Procter and Gamble. Bye-bye. Everything exploded. Everything exploded, you guys. Sell in May, stay away. It's not financial advice. Everything I do is not financial advice. Trade responsibly on your own. Learn and grow in the communities of like-minded people. If it breaks, I can think we can call it a level. Yeah, I think so. Everything exploded. The volume comes in. I feel like I should slowly start considering trading in continuation of the trend. Not yet. And I'm so busy with this, the border play, the Russian anti-war self-confession that we're bringing to Hollywood Fringe Festival in June. If you guys in LA, come support me and the Russian anti-war voice that's muted right now back home. It's important. But yeah, I'm so consumed by that, so I have no time to I'll need to revise, and I unfortunately I think by the time I'll have time to revise, it's gonna be sell in May and stay away. Um, Gotta be like super careful. Uh, this one we need to. It's like it's current trades. I just need to mark them. I think I'm in losses on this too. It's just like here it doesn't make sense to sell it now. We need to wait and see how it will interact. If it will revive, resurrect, will be good. Send deal with block. It's already at 0.5 at the levels, so I mean, come on. Okay, that seems to be it. Yeah, unfortunately, unfortunately, this goes to daily. I'm still in the deal. I only have half position, desired position. That would be a good place to buy. And once again, since we don't buy automatic rallies here, it was like, okay, that's an exhaustion. Spring test, okay, it went close below the level, but just by hair, not by hair, but by a little bit, and then jumped out. With this volume, should have bought, should have added, but okay. Oh, and this, by the way, we should like okay. Let's give it. Well, the test held the level, but there is no volume here anyway. So, anyways, and I'll should I'll start trading and continue. I'll need to analyze everything that I traded since the beginning of the year and make a decision to start trading and continuation of the trade. Super careful though, because I think we'll be due a bigger correction. I think like summer is gonna be like flat and a big correction. Let's see the SPY real quick. And a bigger correction engine. Yeah, SPY is trying to get out of the shithole it put us in. Well, some of us, like aka Misha, who got stuck in Johnson and Johnson and Intel, whereas whereas both absolutely, like J&J was letting me out once already, and yeah, I see exhaustion volume. Here it is, distinctive exhaustion volume of the correction. It was like boom, correction is over, and then the automatic rally comes in, but I can't identify it. Not within my system. I need a manipulation to come after this guy. It was like, I'm done. Like yelling into our face. Ever since here. Not that biggest volume, but... Oh, no. Sorry. Yeah. One off. I was like, yeah, I'm done. Look at me. I'm done on daily. I'm done on hours. It's not the biggest, but it doesn't have to be the biggest. Like ideally by the book. Tested. Tested. Untested. Untested. So good up till up to like automatic rally once again. Good at least up to here. Here change the directionality. What's the biggest? Yeah, nothing. Nothing for us. But yeah, I think it can shoot in May and then be due a bigger correction to the half, like something like this in the summer, and then like that's what I think. But the market will show what it wants to do. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna let you go. Maybe see you another time in the end of the market. Technically, this is continuation of the trend, right? But like too jerky. This is like half. This is, you can call it a balance. fun too, and yeah, retest. But I mean, the volume distribution is not right. This is weird. This is weird. This is more doable. These two are like more doable. And I don't know how like to treat this one. Technically, it's you could have traded here coincidence of the levels. However, this was a transitory extremum, so you should start seeing it like this. Should start seeing it like this. And aggressive. But another way to look at it is like this. Never mind the transitory extremum. I'll be just playing the coincidence, and when it comes here, if it just comes here, springs, just go for it. Well, never mind, it broke anyway. 230, 230. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. It's better off. It's better off. Do you really better off alone? Do you really better? With this volume? Yeah. No, let's keep it real. What is this again? I'm sorry. That guy. Yeah. This one I like way better. Exhaustion volume 2. Anyone? Anyone sees what I see? Perfect exhaustion volume of this correction. Yeah, there is like a bigger volume here, but I mean, within the reasonable, I mean, not by much. 633, 566. A little bigger, but it's okay. You can mark it out if you want to. Unless the spring will give us a bigger volume. So yeah, this looks like a better setup. Yeah. Comes here, we need at least one bullish candle now. Bullish bar, and then springs this guy. That will be happy buy. Okay, that's it for today. Come see, come sound. No volume here because it's like an evening session. And this level is gone. This level is above us. This level is above us. There are levels above us. Simply put. So now we tested it up to here. Still left with this guy. And I think they will, I mean, oil will define. Oil will define. It's again automatic rally. This volumes comes in, like the biggest volume of this entire shebang. You see what it does? Like, phew, and then it's a roller coaster. Stay away. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna let you go. I'll be watching this guy. That's my watch for today. See you afternoon.